to our ice cream factory. Today, I'll walk you through exactly how ice cream is made step by step. Be sure to subscribe for more behind the scenes.
Ice cream production begins with carefully selected raw ingredients. Fresh milk, rich cream, sugar, and flavorings arrive at the factory under strict temperature control. The ingredients are blended together in large industrial mixers. Precise ratios are critical. Too much or too little of any component can affect taste and texture. Inside the control room, technicians monitor temperature, fat content, and mixing speed to maintain perfect balance. The smooth liquid base then flows through sealed pipelines toward the next stage of production. The mixture is pasteurized and homogenized to eliminate bacteria and create a uniform texture. Next, this process gives ice cream its light, creamy structure. Slowly, the liquid transforms into soft, flowing ice cream, rich, smooth, and ready to be shaped. The freshly frozen ice cream is quickly filled into cups, tubs, and cones. Automated systems seal, label, and package each product with precision, ensuring freshness and efficiency. Throughout the packaging area, humans and machines work together in perfect synchronization.
And that's how ice cream is made from start to finish.
The finished products are then loaded into refrigerated trucks, ready to be delivered around the world.